All right, so let's talk about exact equation. Now, an equation is always in the form m dx plus n dy is equal to 0. But you don't conclude that it's exact until you check this one that has the x. You find the partial derivative of it with respect to y, please. This one that has the x, you find the partial derivative of it with respect to y. This one that has the y, you find the partial derivative of n now with respect to x. Now check if it's equal. If they are equal to each other, then we conclude that it's an exact equation. Then how do you get the solution? Just integrate this one, the integral of this one plus the integral of the terms of n that is not containing that does not have x. Okay, so that is that. So it's a simple sum. So look at the solution. Let's try this. They say that this the x plus this the y is equal to 0. So it's already in this form. So but let's check if it is really exact. We say that let m be equal to what? 5x raised to the power 4 plus 3x raised to the power 2y squared minus 2xy cubed. Okay, then our n will now be 2x raised to the power 3y minus 3x squared y squared minus 5y raised to the power 4. Okay, so let us check partial m partial what? It has the x, so I will say partial y. So I'm differentiating with respect to y. So anywhere I did not see y is 0. Did I see y here? No. So this is 0. But I saw y here. So if I differentiate, I'm having 6x squared y. So here is 6x squared y. Okay. Here will now be minus 6x y squared. Okay. So this one will now be what? Partial n over partial. See, this one has the y. So I'll say partial x. So anywhere I did not see x is 0. So this man is 0. So here will give me 6x squared y. 6x squared y. So here will give me 6xy squared minus 6xy squared. So I did the same thing. Yes. So therefore 6 partial n m over partial y is same thing as partial n over partial x. Therefore the equation is exact. So since it is exact, look at how to get the solution. This one I did is just to check if it is exact. So since it is exact, look at how to get the solution now. You get the solution by here. The integral of my m is what? 5x raised to the power 4 plus 3x squared y minus 2xy cubed, all the x plus the integral of, for n is only the term that does not contain x. This one has x away, this one has x away, so I'm having only minus 5y raised to the power 4 dy is equal to what? C. So let us integrate this. I'm having this is x raised to the power 5. This one will give me plus x raised to the power 3y. Okay, this one will give me minus x squared y cubed. Okay, then this one will give me minus y raised to the power 5 is equal to c. So see, that is the answer. Very, very simple. Very, very simple. So let's take another question. Let's take another question. Okay, so this one said we should solve 2xy cos x squared, okay, minus 2xy plus 1. I'm having the x. Okay, so permit me to clean here. So plus sine x squared minus x squared plus 3 dy is equal to 0. So let us check if if it's correct. Okay, so I'm going to have so this one will now be that m is equal to 2xy cos x squared minus 2xy plus 1, and my n is what? Sine x squared minus x squared plus 3. Okay, so here will now be partial m. Due to it has the x, I'm going to have partial y, so which will give me, differentiate y, 1. So I'm left with 2x cos x squared. Remember, it's partial, so partial means you are focusing on that y, every other thing is a constant. So here will give me minus 2x, and here is 0. So here will now be partial n over partial what? Partial y, because, sorry, partial x, because it has y here, the y here. So I'm going to have differentiate here, have 2x, differentiate cos something, sine something, I'm going to have cos that thing. Okay, then differentiate here, I'm having minus 2x. So you see, since they are the same thing, since partial m over partial y is same thing as partial n over partial x, therefore the equation is exact. So since it's exact, the solution becomes the integral of this first one of 2xy cos x squared minus 2xy plus 1, everybody the x, plus only the one that does not have x. This one has x gone, this one has x, there's only 3. So I'm having the integral of 3 dy is equal to what? 0. So how do we integrate this now? So get the integration, and then that is that. If you look at here is going to be integration by part. So if you do integration by part here, you now do the rest here, and then you get the results. Thank you very much for watching. I'm already tired for today. Please subscribe. God bless you.